Yeah, it's time. They have completely all new people working this. I don't recognize anybody this year. We're not going, by the way. Reed was freaked out. We were in the second train, and Reed was like, "Pascal, are we going or are they?" And I was like, "Reed, they're in front of us. How the heck can we possibly go first?" He was that paranoid.
Wait, that was Reed or Zesh?
Reed, Williams. They're gone.
You got it going?
What do you mean? Yeah. I'm going to stop it, though. Because I want it to be short enough to go on Snapchat. Yeah! Just waiting on him to push a button. Yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, 5 seconds, dog. Oh, I've been waiting for this all year, dude. Let's go! Yes! 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 Dude, that dude was looking at me so sketchy. Oh, Lord have mercy. Hey, what'd you think?
I want to see those pictures.
Beautiful thing, isn't it? Oh my God. Alright, yeah. My voice is gone probably for the rest of the day, but... Dude, the ride literally just broke after we went on. I mean, I'm glad you got your first credit, but that sucks. Like, everybody after us. And they're still stuck. They can't even move us at all. So we're going to be chilling here for a second. At least Gatekeeper seems to be running. You can... That shouldn't have a line, no matter what, but... It depends how hungry you are. I'm cool leaving whenever. They just said they're down for mechanical reasons, dude. That's crazy. We just... There's nobody behind us, right? That's crazy. Down for mechanical reasons. What could have happened? Because I didn't feel anything. Normally I'd be able to tell. Jesus. Already sitting, dude. I feel so bad for him. Good thing we decided not to wait for the front row. Literally the last car. That's crazy. I didn't get stapled too. I can go down, still go down like a punch. And don't tell Tyler there's no airtime at the top, because you can definitely feel that. Doesn't even matter. It's the nicest view ever. We can't even. Wow, that sucks. Alright, so we're the last riders on Top Thrill Dragster before it just broke. Which is, I mean, you were just complaining about how it was going to break. Now you're like, keyword when it's operating. And then, I mean, we got it through, which is all that really matters, but... I feel bad for walking through a crowd of people. Alright, let's do red side.
And if you want it, a smooth ride, here's a little surprise, baby, because I am not calibrated, they're a little overrated, everybody's looking at you. Wanna find the peace of mind that everyone is looking for, you might as well just find a different groove. And if you want it, a surprise, here's a little advice, baby. Don't go looking for it, everyone will know you're boring, up for sure, it's snoring when they're looking at you.